very hot though. Beware monkeys. Just taking pictures. No, but stay there, let him.
It's just snapping first.
Oh, there should be frogs in here.
Yo, kind of like that's a whole lake.
You took one.
A monkey took one of these ones.
You really need to walk faster.
The lake looks
Well, water bottle. Why
nature.
What about all the animals?
But come down, bro.
I just said you feed them.
Fast, man. Yeah, I know it's fine.
No one ain't no one gonna do that. Go back. Sorry. Oh, she knows walking slow.
I'm not stressed. Oh, stop walking fast. You take
I think we got enough clips.
No music.
Oh, Canada is beautiful.
Yeah, just go and listen.
How many kilometers?
It's not 2 kilometers.
It's not
half
2
a kilometer. So in that we have 7 bridges and 6 towers. This is one out of the 7. This is one out of the 7, and it gets higher to a certain point before you start descending. Like we have 3 ascending, 1 level 1 and 3 descending. So the level 1 happens to be the highest point about here. It's about 22.5 meters high. Highest in feet, that's about 73 feet above the sea level. Once you're up there, it gives you an area view of the whole reserve. I see most part of Lake and Atlantic Ocean from there.
Oh, this is the longest in Africa.
Yes, longest in Africa
Yeah,
and second in the world. It is the longest canopy walkway in Africa and second in the world. Yes. And
Like
the
the
bridge.
whole world, foreign people comes in
Yes.
here to experience this
Yes,
bridge
yes.
from around the
The
world.
world, all over the world.
I see a lot of white people,
Yeah.
Africans, everybody here.
Everybody all over the
They
world.
come to experience this bridge.
Yes.
Guys, man, this is an experience you'll never forget
Yes,
in a quick time, you know? You want to have the experience, innit?
It's a lovely one, you know. It's an adventure. You guys
And
will
this
enjoy it.
nature,
Yes,
this is
it's
pure nature.
Yeah, yeah. And please, guys, the side ahead of you, the barge ahead of you, please don't join them on December. That's why you're waiting here.
Oh, there must
Get
always
to the towers before you go on the bridge.
Okay, there always have to be a
On
far
the tower,
distance.
So once you get to that tower, you're allowed to get to the next one before you go
Oh,
on the bridge.
that tower.
Yeah, it's a stable
Okay,
platform.
so
like
once
this.
they leave the tower, we can.
No, they are there now. You can go. So once you get there, you are allowed to get on the
another
tower, then
tower
before you
before
go
we
on the bridge.
proceed.
So you just
So-
keep to that process so you do it.
Okay,
All right?
so you go first.
Yeah. You have
Can we
to
go now?
Yes. You,
Gee.
Mommy. Mom and dad are slow.
But you know, That's it. You made it. Woo! Yeah, she made it. This shocking nice.
Nice, bro. That was
Why,
light,
bro,
bro.
if it's got a big space.
Cheese.
Yeah, but that big of a space.
Yeah, you know, we more in that house.
Where's mommy now? They're
You're
coming.
not walking too fast.
They're
That's why I
coming.
said.
Cheese.
Yeah, there's not.
Bro, Genesis from direction.
That's it.
Come on, man.
That's the vibe.
Genesis, you're slow.
Woo.
Slow.
Woo.
Slow. Nah. Nah, you're slow.
Woo.
Made the elder. Made the elder. Yo, we have to go down now. And we have to go up one more time.
Yeah.
Genesis,
I'm the
speed at
highest
pace.
man of.
Chee. Chee.
It's fair. Me, man.
Yeah, might have been better.
Just going to my throat.
We have one more before we have to go down. If you look.
Huh?
One more
The
before
middle
we have
thing
to
is
go.
shaky. Yeah. Like the stable one.
It's on the stable.
You're not stable.
Are you sure?
But I think Mimi,
Oh, yeah.
Mimi, you know those cameras that you can do with this?
Why did Genesis
Chee.
actually go much
Mimi.
quicker? I don't know.
Mimi, you know those cameras when they point their head like that?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, I think so.
How do
Yeah, you don't want to be doing that.
How do they carry this much?
Yeah, I don't think
Yo, that's it.
It's getting ready for the photo, even though.
That's it. That is the fourth round.
Light work.
Woo.
I'm on Kelson Tower. Yeah.
Increase your voice.
I made it. I'm
Okay.
up now.
Come on, man. Never.
Kelson's Tower.
Up.
Rama's braver. She
She may come out from that place.
made it.
That's it. Chee.
Where's my throne? Where's my throne? Where's my throne? Kneel down. Hey.
That's it. Yeah. That's it. Be fast, people are coming. Go. That's it. Just write your name. All right.
This is the last one.
Blessed.
Hell yeah.
Yeah, bring me back to the stage.
Blessed on the vibe.
20.
It's okay. Let's go.
Okay, bro.
Yo. That's it.
Peace. We made it, guys. We made it.
Woo!
Sorry.
We did it. Good then.
Give me my money. Give me my money. There's no chance.
What monkey?
Shaky.
Yeah, boy.
This is that massive shake.
Nah, man, don't worry.
Mother Nature. Mother Nature. Mother Nature.
Please stop. No.
Mother Nature.
Genesis.
Where is it?
Bro, that monkey. Oh, I see a monkey.
Where?
There. A monkey.
Oh, I see a monkey.
That's
Where?
a monkey.
Where's the monkey?
There. Pew.
Chinga.
See.
Yee!
So cute. I wanna
It's a cute monkey. It's going. It's going, yes.
I see some bubbles. I think there's something in the water, bro.
Yeah. The monkey have currency problem.
Oh yeah, that's true.
Oh,
We're coming to a safe area now. This is beautiful. Nature, Nigeria. Yep.
Life is serious, man.
Yep. 1-0 last.
I don't think I would like to go this another time.
I would.
Yeah, like that, good.
I definitely
Taking off. I mean, Genesis, like as you do and now, good. I don't think.
Hey. Mommy. Yeah, mommy.
Yeah, I meant at first I thought.
Nuh-uh.
It means you got a big slap on that.
Shaka, boom, bam, boom.
Don't take it. It's all of the dimension.
Don't do this. God, the good that we are in our country now.
Mimi.
So,
What? Oh.
you are happy.
Come on,
Let's
man.
keep going.
Bro,
Coconut.
That is scared of us?
Okay.
They are running.
I'll give you food.
The monkey's running. Same face.
Yo, that's a pregnant mom. Look, it's a pregnant mom.
Which one?
Genesis, look. Get that. They're stealing the coconuts.
can I get the video?
Guys, quick.
You saw that?
You're eating through it and it caught in.
Can you leave? You're blocking my view.
Yo, is he this guy just says Jesus? Yo, is he?
Take the whole popcorn. That's crazy.
Yo, how you give away a whole popcorn, bro? How you give away a whole popcorn?
Giving away your popcorn is crazy.
Yeah.
Mimi, why did you get Nah, Mimi.
Stay home.
No, not me.
Oh, that can be mine, please. Thank you.
This one is very cheap. Stand up, let him get to West End.
It's actually good for everyone else.
What's it called?
Cotton candy.
That is the nature.
What do you mean?
Do you know how to play?
Yes, I know how to play.
I'll play.
I know how to play. I asked first, you're behind.
Let's go. White horses.
White horse. Wait, we haven't even.
I'm just gonna stay here.
I might do it like right there. Nah, but I'm doing it. You can only put the white one in there. Spot. Because you guys don't know how to play, but I do. Close for it.
That's it. That's fucking nice.
Hey! Damn.
Get this guy out of here, boy.
No. Let me get serious. Oh my God.
Mimi, he's going behind you.
Come on, cool, bro. Go!
Get it out of here, boy. Go back. Chima, help him.
Oh yeah, it's a pass.
Go back, play it. Go back.
Go and score that side. Go and score.
What is this guy doing?
Pass to Chichi here. Pass it here. Let's score.
Mimi, no way. Chima.
That's it.
Let's go sign out. It's okay.
You tried it.
It's okay.
Yeah, but leave it.
Yay!
Chima, come on. Oh, yeah, take the picture.
Who you get over there? Now they fear, they go. If you do anything, go. Cannot do anything. Don't wait until scratch you. No get sent to run. Ekpele. Ah, sorry, A monkey.
The thing I most enjoyed about being here was feeding the monkeys my shawarma, like my sausages, they really like that, and the popcorn. And they ate straight from my hand, fed them like that, snatched it right back.
One of the most fascinating things was when the monkeys was eating out of my hand. It was kind of like, it felt weird, but like it felt relaxing. But the moment I did that, it attracted more monkeys and we had to leave.
Move.
Yeah, it did. Bro, you keep putting it in the water. You have to go to the water now.
Guys, why you even throw it though? Even I didn't throw it.
I didn't throw it.
Both of you.
I just put it on my hand.
I always put it in my hand.
See.
Maybe you dropped it.
Alright, we have to go now.
Bye bye, monkey.
Mommy, why was you running like that?
Move. Can you run?
Times in Nigeria has been good in this adventure. First of all, we saw some turtles. It was walking very slowly, tiredly, and it looked about 100 years old. And like, it was walking so slow, so tired, and I kind of felt bad for it. And we saw some peacocks, and they were like doing chin. They wanted to get me and bite me. It was quite scary seeing them one to everyone. Well, first of all, we had to climb the stairs. Like, it's not just a stair. It's one of the biggest stairs in Africa. And I wasn't scared at all, but I think my siblings were scared. Like, it was nice. It was tired, and obviously, some people got tired. But me, I was just happy climbing those stairs. And once we got there, I saw nature, not bottles, not dirty things, not dirty everything. I saw beautiful nature there, and it was nice. And when we got here, we saw some monkeys. Those monkeys was hungry for food. They'll take anything it sees: popcorn, chicken, meat, corn, everything. even slushies, and of course we had a wonderful time here. It's nature everywhere, and I'm sure you'll like it. Peace out.
So basically what I experienced from this is from this trip that we went to is that we met some animals. For example, we met this turtle. Well, if you guys don't know, the longest living turtle is 150 years old. Yeah, and then after we went like a canopy where we had to like go up. Oh, it was pretty scary experience, not gonna lie. I thought I was gonna fall off. After quite a while we got to the end, and then after that we ate our food. There was many different choices like popcorn, those rice and barbecue sausages. There was drinks too, Fanta, whatever, and there was some foods like shawarma. And kind of like there was some football too, played a little bit of football. And there was even a chess over there, like right there. There's just a little bit of chess where I was playing against like a 20-year-old girl. I almost beat her, but yeah, I still lost. But it was a pretty good experience though. I'm having so much fun right now though, so it's what I like. Like, you guys should come here in Nigeria. This place is very nice, and we went up the longest canopy in Africa basically. So yeah, that's it.
And at the arrival when we came, I saw a huge big snapping tortoise, but it was like really big, 150 years old. It's just something I've never seen before. I only seen it on YouTube video, so that was a really new experience for me and I enjoyed it. Then after that we got to go on the second largest canopy walk in Africa, and I guess that was really fun since everyone was on it and everyone was shaking it. Some people were scared that it was going to fall over though. I don't know why. Anyway, next we got food. The shawarma here was maybe a 7.5, 8 out of 10. I guess I would say it's pretty solid shawarma. It beats most of the food in the UK, but it's still solid. Then we got cotton candy, which was actually really nice. I think it beats some of the sweets over there. The cotton candy was probably my favourite part of this. Then we got coconut water, and then we just had a little walk, and I think that was just really nice to have. And I think that anyone that wants to look for a peaceful holiday here, they should just come to Nigeria because it's very peaceful. Lots of people are friendly and nice, and there's a lot of food there.
Alright, we have to go now.
Bye bye, monkey. Oh, the thing I most enjoyed about being here was feeding the monkeys my shawarma, like my sausages, they really like that, and the popcorn. And they ate straight from my hand, fed them like that, snatched it like that.
This was a surreal experience for me. Now, I've seen all the animals, the food stores, the actual walks. The animals was incredible. I saw some monkeys, I saw some tortoise, I saw some what's that called again? A peacock, actually. Peacock. Also the bridge, that canopy was actually the largest up bridge or like upward bridge in the whole of Africa, which like was surreal that I was like able to be like in it. Like at first it was scary, but then it started to become nice. I got more comfortable, and then all the food, all the activities you can do here, we're not even finished yet, we're still going down there. The lake's so nice, so, and a very big area as well. Also some monkeys like down there. They took my food though. I had to grab one of them because they took my food, swing it around to drop my food, you get me? Give them some discipline from young. So like, except for that, this is a great place to be, and I would advise if you're going for a holiday, short-term break or something like that, if you're from the USA or grew up in the UK like me, then you should come here for a little holiday, nice experience, and yeah, that's all.
I always put it in my hand.
One of the most fascinating things was when the monkeys was eating out of my hand. It was kind of like, it felt weird, but like it felt relaxing. But the moment I did that, it attracted more monkeys and we had to leave.
Move.
Yeah, it did.